Welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to check the total screen time on your iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to make our way down to Screen Time. And here you can see your daily average screen time, including all of the activity on your phone. This also includes options to manage your screen time, including downtime, which allows you to schedule time away from your screen, app limits, which allows you to set time limits for certain apps, communication limits, which allows you to set limits based on contacts, and then always allowed, which allows you to choose apps to allow at all times, and then content and privacy restrictions, which allows you to block inappropriate content or other content that you don't want to see. And that is how you check the screen time on the iPhone 13 Pro.